Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Footwear Fashion Palace, and I am here with my another and the latest video about the heels, about the different length of pencil heels in really amazing designs, very fantastic collections of the different type of the heels that looks really amazing in your every occasion with the every dress and like with every color and every like traditional or western kind of dresses. It looked really pretty with the everything. And watch this video till the end, then you can get ideas about the different kind of heels and makes your collection more amazing. And you can take different ideas about the heel from my this video. And as you see, this transparent, and these are also really trendy, like transparent things looks really beautiful and trendy in these days. And this silver and shiny uh, color looks really pretty, and this one is also a very beautiful bold color with a shiny material that looks really amazing. Like it enhances the overall look of your heel. The shine gives a very perfect overall look to your heel that looks really amazing and beautiful. And this one is also a very nice golden color that looks really beautiful. Color looks really nice, very amazing. And this one is also a very pretty golden kind of heel. And this one is also a very nice white color heel, a very decent and beautiful heels. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon and like this video, comment on this video and share this video. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end.